Good day everyone. In this video we will show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. Removed, crumbled to dust, buried, annihilated. How to delete your Instagram account. So you may want to do this for personal reasons, or you just got bored of Instagram, or you want to make a new profile, or any of the reasons, doesn't matter. You want to delete your account. Well, let me tell you this. We won't be needing Instagram actually. Well, we won't be needing the Instagram account that is on the app, to be exact. We won't be needing the app. That's it. What you need is actually your browser. Heading to your browser, doesn't matter if on your computer or on your mobile device, doesn't really matter if you're gonna use that, or on let's say your PC, your Mac, or your mobile phone. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be switching to my browser, and as you can see, I'm already signed in here into my Instagram account, and you should be as well. So once you've signed in your browser, open a new tab and go to this page, instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent. Visit that page, and from here you can delete your account permanently. Let me just directly go to that page. Here you'll be asked, why do you want to delete Dr. How To? Select any reason that might be suitable to you. You must enter your password here, and you can click afterwards delete your account, delete Dr. How To for my case. And you still have a time to recover your account until like a certain date. Mine is July of 8th. I can recover my account until then, but after that date it will be permanently removed. So that's pretty much it, how to delete your account. Go to this page, type your password, select your reasons, delete, wait for 30 days to pass, and your account will be gone to dust. Well, hope this helped you. Like and subscribe if it did, and have a nice day.